Hello guys, and welcome back to another Allure beauty box unboxing. This one is for December of 2022, so we're gonna dive right into this one. We have an ad for more of the excess boxes, don't need that. But we do have the little mini magazine, so 'tis the season. You can't beat the holiday season. The parties, the get-togethers with loved ones, the cozy nights in, preferably with hot chocolate and a fire. And to make the season even brighter, we've got a full beauty refresh to pamper and nourish from your roots to your nails. There's a volumizing dry shampoo from Chlorane to give your hair some oomph while eking more days out of any style, an updated French manicure that's as cool as it is easy to apply, a perfect activity in front of the fire, and two very excellent ways to glow, a hydrating milk primer and a best-in-its-class vitamin C serum from Mario Badescu. Ad by Rosie Jane's Sweetly Warm Rosy Perfume for a scent that's as comforting as a mug of cocoa, but sexy enough to wear to any party. So, first things first. Oh, wait. No, not that. This. We have the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer. It is a sample size. Let's see here. Yeah, this is 0.13 fluid ounces. Full size is 1.52 ounces, and the full size is $36. My god. Why you'll love it. This gel formula, an Allure Best of Beauty award-winning primer, hydrates the heck out of skin with its aloe water, hyaluronic acid, and vitamin B. It leaves a nice satin finish and holds makeup in place all day, even making one editor's cream blush look more saturated. How you'll use it. One squirt applied over the last step of your skincare routine. Sunscreen, right? Absorbs quickly. Wait 1 minute before applying your makeup. Okay, that sounds pretty cool. So then we have Static Nails Reusable Pop-On Manicure in Curved French Round. My sister will shit when she sees these. She loves static nails. So these retail for $22 for the set. My goodness. Why you'll love it. In one 15-minute application, you get that fresh from the nail salon look with press-ons that have won Allure Best of Beauty. The design is a nod to a French manicure, but features an asymmetrical flick of white on the tip of each nail. How you'll use it? Add an even layer of glue to the back of each press-on and your own nail, and then hold the press-on down firmly over your nail for at least 30 seconds. They come off easily with acetone, and just like that, they're ready to be used again. Why not? I may actually try these. I did admittedly open up that box and just try them on over my nails. I was like, okay, these actually do have ones that do fit my nails. Usually my nails are the weird in-between sizes that no one frickin' has, so alright, I might actually use these. So, alright, next page. This might be the most subtle and sexy rose fragrance ever. So this, which side's the front? I guess it's this side. You really can't see it on camera. By Rosie Jane Rosy Perfume Oil. Full size, 0.23 ounces. This cannot be that. There's no way. Doesn't even say how much is in it, does it? Oh, wait. Oh, this is 0.23 fluid ounces. Okay, this is $45 for this, guys. My goodness. So why you'll love it. This trendy niche fragrance house out of California just reimagined rose perfume and their take on the flower smells more like naked skin. Subtly warm and sexy, yet light and transparent, than a garden. Here, rose is mixed with musk, which is a buzzy ingredient in perfumery right now for its cozy, warm quality. The delicate blend is delivered as a perfume oil with just 5 ingredients, including a sweetly warm coconut oil base. The result is a soft, comforting fragrance that'll have you sniffing your wrist again and again throughout the day. How you'll use it? Swipe the roller ball over your pulse points, wrists, sides of the neck, for a fragrance that stays close while you wear it. Resist the urge to rub your wrists together after applying, which can actually change the structure and therefore smell of a scent. See, the people who commented that on my original perfume reviews were not wrong. They knew what they were talking about. So, that'll be fun. Then we have a Mario Badescu Skincare Vitamin C Serum. Brightens and evens out skin tones one morning application at a time. Let's see. $45 for 1 ounce. I don't think this is 1 ounce, is it? It can't be. There's no way. Doesn't say how much. Oh, wait. Maybe it is. Wow, they spoiled us. Why you'll love it. Vitamin C is one of skincare's most beloved ingredients for its brightening antioxidant powers, but not all vitamin C is worthy of all the hype. Mario Badescu's serum is one you can feel good about applying. It contains two of the most effective forms of the hero ingredient, an ascorbate and 3-O-ethyl ascorbic acid, both stabilized forms of vitamin C. It helps fade hyperpigmentation like sunspots, gives skin an overall glow, and wears beautifully under the rest of your routine. And even though it's potent, drastically fading the sunspots across one editor's cheeks and hormonal acne scars on her chin in about 1 month, it didn't irritate her sensitive skin or cause any other redness. How you'll use it: squirt 3 to 4 drops into the palm of your hands and press the serum over your face. It absorbs beautifully without any obvious scent. Okay, I can definitely get behind that one. Shit. And then we have the Dr. Pawpaw Overnight Lip Mask. So this is $10.50 for this little guy. My goodness. Why you'll love it. The ultimate lip treatment. It's 4 natural oils and waxes, including sunflower seed oil and wax from the candelilla plant. Keep lips smooth and hydrated, even when they're prone to chapping in winter. The best of beauty winning magic is packed into a convenient tube, which means there's no messy pot to dip your fingers into. How you'll use it. Contrary to its name, the soft glow this balm imparts is way too pretty to wear only at night. Smooth some on before bed to head off chapping and reapply for a flattering sheen throughout the day. Okay then. And then finally, oh wait, no, not finally, there's one more thing after that. We have the Chlorine Dry Shampoo with Nettle. This is $20. My goodness. Looks like somehow it leaked on it. What the crap? Okay, interesting. Why you'll love it. Checks every one of our dry shampoo must-have boxes. It makes roots look and feel clean, never stiff or gunked up. It doesn't weigh down fine hair and is totally invisible, even in dark hair. One editor has been known to use it daily to stretch out a blowout all the way through the work week. How you'll use it: shake the can, spray your roots from about 10 inches away, let it sit for 2 minutes, then give your roots a shake with your fingers or brush them to easily get the excess powder out. Good to know. And then the other thing in here, I don't even see an ad for it. Usually there's an ad for the little ones like this. There's a little sample of whatever Emu Aid is. Yeah. Transform your skin while you sleep. Emu Aid First Aid Ointment performs miracles from head to toe. Although highly effective at treating severe skin conditions, this ointment is also a powerful skin-changing beauty treatment. As a versatile beauty balm and occlusive nighttime mask, a routine more commonly known as slugging, Emu Aid is the skin savior you can't live without. Most products cannot penetrate deep into the skin to efficiently deliver the most active ingredients to where they are needed the most. Emu Aid is specially designed to penetrate with a unique transdermal delivery system that helps carry powerful bioactive healing ingredients deep into your skin and nails. That's why using Emu Aid as the last step of your beauty routine makes all the other products work better. Other products can attach to Emu Aid's delivery system, allowing them to penetrate deeper for overnight results. Suggested uses: slugging. Apply as a last step in nighttime skincare routine. Use a pea-sized amount and gently coat the entire face down to the décolleté. Beauty balm. Apply to any part of the body that needs immediate deep penetration and moisture. Dry patches of skin, to chapped lips, dry knees, chafing, blisters, cracked heels, and even as a luxurious hand and foot treatment. Nail treatment. Apply to nails and cuticles to accelerate new nail growth and prevent fungal infections and strengthen nails. Emu Aid. Cool. We have a sample of Emu Aid. Alright then, so anyway, that is everything that was in my December Allure beauty box. Hopefully you enjoyed it. If you did, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe, hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload, leave comments down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my eBay, my Reddits, everything and more, it's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Anyway guys, till next time, see ya.